Use your knowledge, Moses, use your knowledge of reference points. So reference points, you should be thinking of like the mirror reflection, to write an equation, a quadratic equation for the examples previously identified as unique parabolas in problem 1. If it is not possible, write the function. If it is not possible to write a function, state why not. So, in this problem, we do a think out loud, is they give me the information of a vertex. Well, how do I write a quadratic function? There are 3 forms of quadratics, 3 forms. And the key word we previously learned in 4.1 is this one has the vertex. Talk to your partner, see if you guys can remember vertex form. Did you guys remember that had the H and the K in it? The first thing I'm going to do here is solve for A. Solve for A. Well, my vertex is negative 3, 4. This represents my H and my K. H and my K. That is negative 3 and 4. Then I'm going to take my points. My points are X and the Y. So if I put in an X value of negative 4, let's put that in yellow. Negative 4 and a 1. That means I have the A value. Parentheses, you have this minus sign, squared, and this 4 here is positive. I have 1 equals negative 4, opposite of negative 3 is a plus 3, so negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And negative 1 squared is a positive 1. So that's A times 1, or 1A. And I have the 4 here. And then I'm just going to subtract 4 on both sides. And I get A equals negative 3. Remember, the 1 is here, but I don't need to write that. The second thing I'm going to do is write my equation. Well, how do you write an equation? You already have, all you need is your letters A, H, and K. So we have the A value, we have the H value, and we have the K value. So what is our A value, class? Negative 3. My H value? Now I'm going to write a minus sign. So what's the opposite of negative 3? So we have X plus 3 squared. And then my K value, which is 4. So the answer to this problem is y equals negative 3, x plus 3 squared plus 4. I solved for A first. I took my A, H, and K, and I put it back into vertex form to get an equation.